Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your account on the Clarify website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the Google Chrome, and after going to the Google Chrome, what we have to do, simply we have to open the website. So as you can see, I've already opened the website. Now what we have to do, has an option for the start for free. So we need to click on the start for free option. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this option, we have to provide the details here. So as you can see, I have provided my all details here. And then simply we have to click on the create account option, and after that our account will be created. So as you can see, we have to provide the first name, we have to provide the last name, email, and then password, and then we just have to click on the create account, and after that our account will be created. So we have to wait for a few seconds. We can also create using a Google account. So as you can see, you must be logged into this page. Now we have to go to the login section, and then we have to click on the login. So as you can see, now our account is created here. As you can see, now the profile is here. You can check out your name. If you want to change these details, you can also do that. The billing and the security and the usage, each and everything is provided here. So in this way, you can create your account on the Clarify website, Clarify AI. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.